The Barclays app. How to make payments. The Barclays app puts the power to pay at your fingertips. Just log in and choose Pay and Transfer. Select Pay a recent or new payee. Choose the account you'd like to pay from, and then tap Add or select Payee. If you're paying someone you've paid before, either through the app or online banking, just select their name from the list. Or, to pay someone new, choose Add New Payee. Choose the type of payment you're making. Here, you'll see tips to help protect you from fraud and scams. Enter their details, acknowledge the information about fraud and scams, then click Continue. Next, enter the amount you want to pay and add a reference that you'll both see on your statement. Then choose whether this is a one-off payment or a standing order and select Review Payment. If you're paying someone new, you'll need your debit card, as you'll need to add a few more details for security. Check the details, tap Confirm Payment, and you're done.